Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. We are going to be reviewing the Juvia's Place mini palette, the chocolates, and I also did a tutorial with this palette, which is this look here. If you want to see and hear more about this product, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you're not a fan of a bunch of colors and you like to keep it neutral, I believe that this chocolate palette, mini palette by Juvia's Place is the perfect fit for you. I'm creating one look per palette because Juvia's Place was nice enough to send me or gift me these palettes to try, swatch, and share with you. So that's what we are doing today. So this is the look that I created using that palette. I really like it. It has some very pretty warm tones in there. So the chocolates palette, as you can see there. And we're going to swatch these colors as we've been doing in the past with the previous palettes, and then we will get into the tutorial. But before we do, I want you to do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Hit the little bell as well, that little toggle bell thing up there, so you get notified the next time that I upload a video to my channel. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and watching. If you have any questions about the palette, just drop those down in the comments below for me. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and swatch the colors in the Chocolates Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. These are the colors. So we're going to go ahead and swatch those. I'm going to start with the top row. This one here is a matte chocolate, dark brown color. I just put that on the back of my hand. And with these matte ones, they're just kind of... just have to be careful with them, maneuvering like when you're applying them. So that's the first one. We're going to move on to the middle one here. So put that on the back of my hand here. And that is, see that's that one. I'm trying to do these pretty briefly. All right. Top one there. Okay, this one's very matte, and actually have to be careful because some fallout there. I don't know if you can see it on my hand, a little fallout from it. So those are the top three. Moving on to the bottom here, make sure I have an extra finger. That one kind of reminds me of like a more of a redder tone, brown. So put this one here. That one's also a matte shade. And so let me wipe my fingers. Oh, might need another wipe. Okay, and moving on to this shade here, I believe, yeah, because we swatched that one. This is also a matte shade. And you probably won't be able to see this one show up on me. This one probably won't really show up on the back of my hand, so I'll put a couple of swatches there if you can see that. So that's that. And then the last color, which is one of the ones that I used to create this look that I'm wearing. I do like this. This one reminds me of a MAC shade. I can't remember. Woodwinked, I think it was the name of it. It reminds me of that one. So those are the shades in this palette. You can see those. So I can see this being like a go-to palette, especially if you're more of the neutral type. You don't like to play in too much color, you know, color eyeshadows or color pigments. So that's definitely a really great palette to have in your stash. I like it too because it's small and you can basically travel with it if you want to. So those are the swatches for the Chocolates Mini Palettes by Juvia's Place. And if you want to see the makeup look that I created using it, then just keep watching. Okay, that is it for me today. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel while you are here. And make sure you click the little bell so you're notified the next time I upload a video to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more product reviews and things like that because I do get scent products that a lot of times I just honestly just forget to film. But I want to make sure, like, if you're interested in buying or purchasing these, you have an idea prior to doing so. So hence the reason why I want to make sure that I do these palettes for you. The next palette that's going to be in this series is the nudes. So I've already done the berries, the violets, and then the chocolates, which was today's video. And then I'll be filming another video of the nudes palette. So don't forget to subscribe so you can catch it when it uploads. And until next time, guys, I'll chat with you then. Bye.